Hi, my name is Katie, and I am the driver for the session, and I'm here with Pierre, who will be my navigator for the session. So today we are diving in chapter 4. This is a brief summary that I will go over, and then we will do an activity. So in Java, a class defines what an object knows and what it can do. It's actually a blueprint describing the data each object holds and the actions it can perform, even though all objects from the same class share the same methods. Those methods behave differently depending on the object's internal data. You can also pass values into methods using parameters, which lets you customize how those methods run each time they call. To keep your data safe and organized, Java uses a concept called encapsulation. This means hiding instant variables by making them private and using public getter and setters methods to access or change them. It helps prevent unwanted changes and lets you control how data is handled. When comparing values, Java treats primitive types and objects differently. Primitives are compared by value, while objects are compared by reference unless you use a method like equals to check for logical equality. So now we are going to move to an activity. Um, here we have an activity. Who am I? A bunch of Java components in full costumes are playing a party game. Who am I? They give you a clue and you try to guess who they are based on what they say. Assume they always tell the truth about themselves. If they happen to say something that could be true for more than one attendee, then write down for all whom that sentence applies. Fill the blanks next to the sentence with the names of one or more attendees. Tonight attendees, instant variable, arguments, return, getter, setter, encapsulation, public, private, pass, by value, method. So obviously I have answered questions already, so now we will just go through it. A class can have any number of these. So it's instant, variable, getter, setter, method. A method can have only one of these, which is a return. This can be implicitly promoted, return, and argument. I prefer my instant variable private encapsulation. It really means make a copy, pass by value. Only setter should update these instant variable. A method can have many of these argument. I return something by definition, that is a getter. I shouldn't be used with instant variable, that is public. I can have many arguments, that is a method. By definition, I take one argument, that is a setter. These help create encapsulations, get a setter public private. I always fly solo, that is a return. And that is it for chapter 4. Thank you for watching.